Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought one more 3D effect pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies cardigan, gents sweater, shawls, cap, frocks, jackets. This pattern has 3D effect as well as this pattern is more stretchable also. Main thing of this pattern is that every alternate row is hidden and next row appears upward. After knitting some rows, border will automatically create zigzag shape. Same pattern in light color will look like this. You can clearly see shape of this 3D effect pattern. Wrong side of this pattern is flat. 3D effect of this pattern is only visible on front side. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 15 stitches. This is our first row from front side. Purl all stitches. Complete row with all purl stitches. Here we have completed our first row from front side. Now second row from wrong side. This time slip one stitch and knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row from front side, slip first stitch, and now our repeat pattern begins. Purl one stitch and now knit 3 stitches together. For that slip 2 stitches together knitwise like this, and then knit third stitch and pass 2 stitches over third stitch and make 3 stitches together like this. This is our first repeat pattern. Again second repeat pattern. Purl one stitch and then knit 3 stitches together. For that slip 2 stitches knitwise and then knit third stitch and pass 2 stitches on third stitch. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat pattern, again purl one stitch and then slip 2 stitches together like this and then knit third stitch and pass 2 stitches on third stitch. This is our knit 3 together stitch. Now again last purl one stitch and purl last edge stitch also. Here we have completed our third row. Here you can clearly see 3D effect of this pattern. Now fourth row from wrong side. Slip first edge stitch and then repeat pattern, knit one stitch and yarn over. Before this knit 3 stitches together. Now second repeat, knit 1 stitch and then yarn over. Third repeat, knit 1 and yarn over. Again next repeat, knit 1 and yarn over. Now after last repeat, purl last edge stitch. This is our fourth row and also last row of the pattern. Repeat these 4 rows till you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.